The lateral raise is a pull exercise, and the target muscles are the shoulders. It's performed either seated or standing using body weight, dumbbells, kettlebells, or a band. For the setup, we just want to stand up nice and straight. This goes for seated as well. You just want to be good, tall posture. That means shoulders back, chest up, and chin tucked. I'm using dumbbells. So for this one, I'm just going to hold the weights off to my sides. And I'm not going to raise the weights straight out to my sides. If you try that, you'll feel that it's a little bit uncomfortable. What you need to do is bring it slightly forward. And that's going to feel a lot more comfortable. So with that in mind, good tall posture, big inhale at the bottom, and we're going to exhale as we lift the weights. So inhale and lift those weights just above shoulder height. And then we're going to control that weight down. Nice and slow, just like that. That's where half the work is happening right there. So exhale up. And nice and slow and controlled on the way down. Keeping that good tall posture. Even if you're in that seated position, you're keeping that good tall posture. Raising the arms slightly forward, above shoulders, and back down. The one thing you want to watch out for here is those trap muscles. They like to join the party on this one. And what that would look like would be this right here. See how those shoulders come up to the ears? We don't want that. You want to knock those shoulders down. And then nice and controlled down. If those shoulders are coming up towards your ears, it means the weights are way too heavy and you should lower that weight just a bit. Because you want nice, slow, controlled movements all throughout the set.